Creating unique 3D experiences is an art. It's a combination of different skills, such as using and composing great-looking scenes with the right 3D models, setting up proper lights and shadows to get the most out of it, adding animations, events, interactions to add dynamism and make it feel alive. And a key factor in elevating projects from conventional to cutting edge is adding advanced visual effects. This is what we will learn in the new shader chapters from my course, React Fiber, the ultimate guide to 3D web development. 5 new project-based lessons to understand what shaders are, how to use them to create your own custom materials, and ultimately, learning how to transform your ideas into making awesome projects. The first lesson is named Introduction to Shaders. We'll go from theory to writing our first shader code with GLSL, so you can have a strong understanding and foundations to iterate from. The second lesson is dedicated to shaping functions. As shader code logic is different from our traditional JavaScript approach, I prepared a practice zone for you so you can have a place to learn, experiment, and gain confidence in writing shader code. After this, we will create a unique responsive image slider, leveraging the power of shaders to create smooth transitions. The water shader lesson will teach you how to use shader libraries to create good-looking animated effects, and we will leverage render targets, learned in the previous lessons, to adjust the foam intensity on the pool edges and object on the water. Finally, in the shader transitions lesson, we will make a custom reveal effect on website opening and when navigating between pages. We will also learn how to inject custom shader code into existing materials to create an advanced dissolve effect between objects. If you already own the course, you now have access to this new chapter without additional cost. The entire course is available with a one-time payment of $85 for lifetime access to the current chapters and future updates. You also get access to a private Discord to share and learn with other motivated students, and to ask me questions about the different course lessons. Link in the description below. If you still hesitate, get 30% off with the promo code SHADERS, available until June 1st.